brother mo.
Okay, Tita and Tito, this game is something called minimum to maximum. So very easy na po itong game natin. So yung mga question ko is about to yourself. For example, arrange yourself according to your age. So lagi po mauna yung number 1 bago yung 1 ay bago yung number 2. So magandang po sa letter A to Z. Okay? Sa mga size, sa age, sa name, basta po minimum to maximum, mababa, mataas. Okay? Ayan, ang ating pastor is happy birthday. You won! You won. So, bago tayo mag-start, Tita, okay? Okay? Okay. Tita, your name? P.S. Dion. Joan. Ay. Sir, pangalan? Sir po, ilang taon na po? 28. Sir, name? Nicole. Ilang taon